Hello everybody.
Hello.
Today's lesson is about pronunciation. We're going to look at 10 words and teach you how to say them properly. And to help us, Cousin Hugo has come along.
Hello,
Hugo. The first word we're looking at is clothes. Clothes. And it's difficult to say because of the end sound, the z. But if you say it quickly, it doesn't matter so much. Clothes. Clothes. Scratchit.
Me?
Your turn.
Clothes. Clothes.
Very good. Hugo, you say it.
Huh?
Yes, very good, very good. The next word is very similar to clothes because it has the z sound at the end, and that is months. Like July, January,
February,
September,
April.
yes, all right, yes. The months. So, months. Months. Scratchit.
Months. Months.
Hugo. Very good, very good, yes. The next word is a difficult one to say, but you might know it from a sauce that you put in your Bloody Marys, or you put on, what do you put it on?
Put it on your cheese on toast.
On your cheese on toast. And it's a brown sauce, and it's called Worcestershire sauce. Worcestershire is the name of a county in England. Worcestershire. Can you say Worcestershire?
Worcestershire.
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 Good. Hugo?
Worcestershire.
Huh?
Worcestershire.
Very good, Hugo. Worcestershire. Although, if most people in England just say Worcester.
Worcester.
Worcester sauce. Do you say Worcester sauce?
I say Worcester sauce.
Okay.
Yeah.
Hugo, what do you say?
Worcestershire.
Yes, very good. Yes.
Yeah.
The next word it's a little animal that lives in the trees, and there's grey ones and red ones, and they're called squirrels. And so if you say squirrel, squirrel. Can you say that, Scratchit?
Squirrel. Squirrel.
Hugo, can you say squirrel?
Oh.
Yes. It's getting better.
Yeah.
Yes. Okay, good. The next word is for a place where they make beer. Yes, like that. Yes. Is it good, Hugo? Very good. Okay. Good. And this is a brewery. A brewery. But when we say it quickly, we just say brewery. 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 Can you say that, Scratchit?
Yep. Brewery. Brewery.
Okay. What?
Yeah.
Yeah,
Better.
better. Yeah, it's good. The next word is for a month of the year. A month of the year. Remember, we said months, but this is a month. And this is the month where Hugo has his birthday. And that's at the beginning of the year, after January, and it's called February. February. Now, it's quite difficult to say that, but it's easy if you go February. 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 Can you say that, Scratchit?
February. February.
And Hugo? That's it. The next word is a word for not being in the city, which is urban, but when we live in the country, we live in somewhere which is rural. Lots of trees and green fields, animals, farms and things. Yeah, rural. Scratchit, can you say rural?
Rural. Rural.
Very good. And Hugo?
Far.
Yes, it's quite good, Hugo. Good. The next word is useful for cooking. When we look at how we make a meal, we often look at a recipe. Recipe. All the ingredients and things. Recipe. Scratchit, can you say that?
Recipe. Recipe.
Good.
Far.
Yeah, this is getting good now. Yes. The next word is, we use it when we borrow some money from someone and we have to pay them back, but we say that this is a debt. But it's a strange word because it has a B in it. But we don't say the B. It's a silent B. Debt. Debt. Scratchit, can you say debt?
Yeah. Debt. Debt.
Hugo? Oh, nearly. Yeah. Debt.
Actually, you're in debt.
I'm in debt?
Yes, you haven't paid me this month.
Oh.
Far.